What's up guys, today's video is going to be very short as this is in no complex uh, product. It's just a tooth box that I bought for my daughter because she is over 6 years old now and uh, her teeth have started falling, so she wanted something to put the teeth in for some reason, so I bought her this one. So let's check it out. Again, it's going to be very short because there isn't anything special inside it. It's just a wooden box that I really liked. We have something of this round thingy, again made of wood. I have no idea what's the purpose of this one. And let's have a look at the box. It is made of wood, as you can see. This is metal, the bearing to hold it. This is in case I think you want to hang it somewhere or something like that. And then we have a fairy on the top taking your teeth and the star pattern, which looks really good. I think overall its presentation is good for its price. It wasn't that expensive, it was quite cheap to be honest. So yeah, let's open it up. All right, so let's look at the top first. So you have the name, constellation, blood type, birth date, birth weight, and what is birth height. I think I missed the age here. The company name, I guess, again this company name, and these are the teeth patterns that they have given you. See, like how they are identified as numbers so that you know what number of teeth is. They have also designed, I think, in terms of how they will be in your mouth, like these patterns. They have given them numbers here as well, so quite a bit of information here. This is so that you can register whose teeth are there in case you have multiple kids. And we have here, we have the placing. On top we have this clear plastic to keep them wrapped so that they don't fall off. So if I remove it, you have this. You have the different slots with their names, like where each teeth will go. Okay, and in between we have something. What is this? So this is, I think, to pick the teeth, right? Like this. What is this for? This portal? I'm not sure. I should have read the documentation, so I'm not sure what this bottle is for, but this is obviously to take pick teeth. I'm also not sure what this is for, so these two things are mystery for me. If you know what they are meant to do, please let me know, but I don't know. And I guess that's it. Yeah, there isn't anything else. And overall I would say I liked it, honestly speaking. It was cheap, it is made of good wood, or they have made sure that it is made for kids, everything like it, and there is a lot of information about the teeth for children to learn. And then these holes are deep enough that the teeth won't fall off. They have given these accessories to deal with the teeth, and once you, like this, how was it? Let me see if I can put it back. Not sure if I can. Let's do it like this then. And I also like the cover that they have given. It goes, it fits like this, and you can keep it like this and the teeth won't fall off. So personally I'm really happy with the purchase, to be honest. Like, isn't I'm not just satisfied, I'm quite happy. I think my daughter is going to like it because it is something nice, full circular design and everything. I like it. Yeah. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.